Next question. Here we have to find the equation of the parabola whose vertex is 3 comma minus 2 and the focus is 3 comma 1. Vertex means it is h comma k. Focus is what will be the focus here? A plus h comma k form. And the line parallel to y-axis, focus is above the vertex. So the abscissa of the vertex and the focus are equal to 3. Means here our x coordinates are same, is in focus and in the vertex. So hence the axis of the parabola is x is equal to 3 and a is also equal to 3. So h comma k means 3 comma minus 2. This is our focus, and we have equation of parabola x minus h whole square is equal to 4a into y minus k. So x minus 3 whole square is equal to 4a. From here we are writing a. 4 into 3 into y minus k value is minus 2. So x minus 3 whole square is equal to 4 3s are 12 and this is y plus 2. Minus into minus plus 2. So x square, here we have to apply a minus b whole square formula. So it becomes x square minus 2ab means 2 into 3 into 6, x becomes 6x, 3 3s are 9. And when we open the bracket, this becomes 12y plus 12 2s are 24. X square minus 6x plus 9. Take it to the left side, it becomes minus 12y minus 24. So x square minus 6x plus minus 12y plus minus 15 is equal to 0. Means in the previous problems, when the equation of parabola is given, where it is like this. When the equation of parabola is given, then we were finding focus, vertex, length of lattice rectum, equation of directrix. But in this problem, focus, vertex is given, so we have to find the equation of parabola. So we got this one. Now this is the last problem of parabola. Here we have to find the equation of parabola whose focus is 1 comma minus 7 and the vertex is 1 comma minus 2. Here also the abscissa are same, means first coordinate, x coordinate of vertex and focus are equal to 1. So we are writing the abscissa of the vertex and the focus are equal to 1. Hence the axis of the parabola is x is equal to 1 and x is equal to a means a is also equal to 1. Vertex is h comma k, we will write 1 comma minus 2. X minus h whole square is equal to 4a into y minus k. This is the general formula. So x minus 1 whole square is equal to 4 into 1 y minus k value is minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2. So it is of the form a minus b whole square, which is equal to x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to, open the bracket, 4 into y is 4y, 4 2s are 8. X square minus 2x, take it to the left side, it becomes minus 4y plus 4 minus 8 is equal to 0. So the required equation of parabola is x square minus 2x minus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0. With this, our parabola chapter is completed.